Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome forgot password of Google Play Store account on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, so if you forget your Google Play Store account's password and you want to log back in or you want to change the password, you don't need to be worried because the way to solve it is very easy guys. So now I will show you how. Okay guys, so first thing first, you can go to Google Play Store and then over here you can go to profile and then over here you can click for Google account and then you can wait for a little bit until it's done and then here you can slide sideways like this and then you can go to security guys. And so yeah, here you can scroll down and go to password guys. Okay, over there you can click password and wait a little bit again. And so yeah, this is because I forgot the password, then I will choose forgot password guys. You can click for it, wait a little bit, and yeah, so now in this page you can change your password and the new password that you just create before is successful guys. So yeah, it's easy right to solve the forgot password. So yeah, this is the tutorial on how to overcome forgot password on our Google Play Store account, and thank you so much for watching.